don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Orlando Pirates 3. I'm joined by Umzeke.
Sesibo Ukraine.
Akimnati Rutmani.
Akimnati akuyala mfethu kanti player sakho. Akuyala mfethu.
Ilanchaka.
Joe, I wanna bonqobo mfethu. Kasibi upcoming player.
Yes. For so many years.
For so many years.
For so many years in Chaka.
Kinqobo.
Yeah.
Kimange. Vuma. No.
Vuma.
Mfethu.
Vuma.
Mfethu kuyala Joe, kuyala.
Ubani Mzeke arulo fixed up ola imeyisa.
Mfethu.
Awuyiboni reading.
Mfethu.
First
No
point.
mfethu. Bakuthisa kamabhakabhaka mfethu. Bakasashape ka 3-0 mfethu. Ko Derby mfethu. Ko high mfethu. At least 1-0 mfethu. Ubone soka wathi baking. No gaming, you understand? Yeah, no target mfethu. Mfethu bonqobo mfethu since isaloku ube upcoming artist.
Yeah.
From 2004.
Yeah.
From
Also
blow mfethu. Ubo retire mfethu. Promising player mfethu. No mfethu, you understand? So kuyakopa mfethu ko Bobby Mtaung.
Yes.
Kopa they must do something mfethu
Yeah.
bayadingi.
Kamachitanyana.
Mfethu.
Yeah,
mfethu. Wathi mfethu. Why? Kuthi supporting ya Pirates nokuthaba nokusadlala bo Shabalala. After boyeye. Itsho jwalo.
The real Chiefs.
Mfethu. The real Chiefs. Not every bonang no mfethu. Asewona Chiefs mfethu. But mfethu baposta ko Instagram bantsama gogo asaliyong mfethu. Ayiyo nje bayetsa mfethu abajima noma bajima mfethu akiboni sebajimela understand.
Bomunyanya.
Mfethu.
Yasithibo ngitshele something ne. Ngitshele something. Ama supporter Chiefs wabulala ama player wabo.
Kanjani?
Bawa like I player li1 la performance yani game e1. Sure. Kusasa balifanisa nomuntu onzima kakhulu. Yeah. Maye lento le imistake yokuqala bayenzayo.
Psychological.
Bayamkhawati.
Yeah.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
Ubani uChizo rubani.
Yeah, Chiefs led, yeah.
Like bebathi udeserve ukudlalela
PL England.
Udlalile Vandag.
Bekakhona umbona
Umbonile ntoni?
Mzeke umbona Chiefs led.
Uyakhona?
Yeah.
No, nasamuboni.
Akambona.
Nasamuboni.
Akambona. That's why ngisho ukuthi yibo bakhawathi ama player wabo.
Point yava.
Yeah, bakhawathi ama player wabo. Umdube bebamretha big.
Like green.
Uphi manje?
Bench. Nali shooting Vandag.
Okay, ngiyayibamba.
Lastly mfethu wathi batloke congratulations to Pirates.
Sure.
Abaphethe mfethu babontitse bathu ba top.
Yeah.
Ba top mfethu and bayipontitse babatlalela ko World Cup. Chiefs nibonisa ka vele ba grand ka uploma yifela.
Yeah,
understand? Bomakhopa badlala Makaula fonna game of the match. Makaulu baphethe mfethu babaphethe Plaza Pirates. Congratulations and I hope the team batodlana lona.
Yeah.
Batoyishapa lona. Asi Chiefs ifela. So yeah, that's it.
Thank you Mzeke Nchaka.
Thank you.